Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon horse. Let's begin today's lesson. On the left side of the page, draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So we're going to bring this in and then back out. Line it up on the right side. And then we'll add a smaller circle along the bottom right. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the top left eye, we're going to move out, come straight down, round up the muzzle, come across towards the right, and then just pull that straight up beside the right eye. Let's add a curve across the top of the muzzle, going up, across, and then down. Let's move to the inside, draw two small circles, and fill those in black for the nostrils. And then on the top right side, let's add in the ear. We're going to go out, and then up toward the top. Come in and then down. Let's brush the hair over towards the left side. From the base of the ear, we're going to come down, across the middle, go across, and then back down. Let's curve this up towards the top of the head. We go up, go across, and then down in behind the ear. Let's draw the tip of the left ear, going out and up, and then back in. Now I want to trace the inside of the right ear. Over on the right side, let's draw in the mean. Underneath the ear, we're going to go out, in, and then back out. And we'll just tuck this up underneath the head. Let's go over towards the left side and draw on the body. We're going to come down and in. And we'll draw on that front leg. Coming straight down, round this out, and go back up. Let's go straight across towards the back leg. Draw the same leg coming down and up. Now I just want to curve the body, going up and then in towards the side. Let's add two legs along the back. And then we'll add that tail on the back side, going up, down, and then out. And we'll trace this back along the inside. Let's separate the bottom of the feet with a curve, coming down and up. And then we'll add a saddle across the back, coming down and then up. Add two lines coming down for the strap. And then we'll sign an art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of a horse. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.